In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Word's review and view tools for efficient reading, accessibility, and collaborative review. We'll focus on the features in the Review and View tabs so you can proof thoroughly, communicate clearly with collaborators, and stay focused while reading or writing. Start in the Review tab with track changes. Turn it on before you or anyone else edits. Word records insertions, deletions, and formatting adjustments, marking each person's edits in different colors. This gives you a complete audit trail, which is ideal for peer editing, instructor feedback, or your own self-proofing. When you're ready to finalize, use Accept or Reject to move through proposed edits one by one. Accept incorporates the change into the document. Reject restores the original text. Use the Next and Previous buttons to navigate quickly and avoid missing anything. To control how much markup you see, switch the display. All markup shows every change inline and in the margin. Simple markup keeps the text clean and uses a red line in the margin to indicate where edits exist. No markup temporarily hides changes for a clean read while keeping them in the background. Comments are perfect for questions, suggestions, and clarifications without touching the main text. They form a conversation thread that collaborators can reply to, and you can resolve them when the issue is addressed. This keeps discussion organized and separate from content. Word's editor goes beyond spelling and grammar. It reviews clarity, conciseness, formality, and even inclusivity, acting like a virtual editor. Treat its suggestions as guidance. Accept those that suit your tone and audience. For documents with multiple drafts, the Compare feature creates a legal black line that highlights every difference between two versions, even if track changes wasn't used earlier, making it easy to see exactly what changed. For quick stats, check word count on the status bar, or open the detailed word count dialog for pages, characters, and more. If you want readability scores such as Flesch Kincaid, enable readability statistics in your Word options and run a spelling and grammar check to see those results. Now switch to the View tab. Read mode hides the editing ribbon and lays out pages side by side like a book, which is great for distraction-free review. Immersive Reader lets you tailor the reading experience. Read Aloud highlights words as it narrates, text spacing and column width ease line tracking, and page color plus line focus reduce visual strain. Focus mode also minimizes on-screen clutter for writing or reading. Finally, use Check Accessibility to scan for issues like missing alt text or poor color contrast, so your document is accessible to everyone.